Ekaro, Ekason, Ekale, as this is Crossblogxtv. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Prime Minister Lily wanted to release another shocking revelation on what might happen on 2027 election. One is not certain though, and is not guaranteed that Tinubu will win the general election coming up on 2027. There's another warning to Ministry of Health, and there's another warning that the vaccine is coming to Nigeria, and this may cause a lot of problems. And at the same time, he gave some other messages to Ebonyi, Plateau, Cross River, Sokoto, Kaduna, Adamawa, Yobe, and many other places. He said there will be a terror attack, and this is going to be so serious. And he said very soon APC will divide. And he said again that Tinubu is going to be in trouble with Trump. Trump will be angry with Tinubu seriously. There's going to be a serious trouble between Tinubu and Trump. Prophecy Prime Minister àti some other global prophecies gbogbo náà ni wọ́n drop nínú fọ́nrán yìí ẹ̀já àjọgbọ́ kẹjọba for opinion sínú comment.
People that will make things happening, people that will make things to be surprised. These are people that they need. I see shake up in APC National Secretariat, because there will be a lot of things that will be coming up, a lot of misunderstanding, and the strategy that Tinubu have set for them. The strategy may not even go well. And I tell you this, and I will keep saying it. This Tinubu strategy is weak. People trying to enhance his strategy might not be able to get the grip of the strategy, might not be able to do what exactly that needed to be done, might not do the calculation very well. Sincerely, various strategy will be coming out for 2027. The one will kill another. One strategy will kill another strategy. These the modern strategy, and of course ways of rigging, buying of votes, canvassing people going to houses. That is why I'm saying it that this movement, City Boy movement, honestly is just academic movement. It's just fashion movement. It is not political movement. They are not radical. They are not offensive. And these are the things that will be bringing mistake to political victory. I'm rolling it. I will say it. I stand by it. Like it or you don't like it. It's not 100% certain that Tinubu will win this election 2027. It's not 100%. Not 100%. Not 100%. That Tinubu must wake up and strategize if he wants to win. However, there's a vaccine that will be important, that will be safe, that just should be taken. This vaccine they will say for vaccine is very compulsory. This vaccine is dangerous for Nigerians. Ministry of Health, be careful of all these vaccine we'll be talking about that will not do Nigeria well. Vaccine that can cause issues. Let the Nigerian government be very careful about this. It's a very serious vaccine that we need to look into. This vaccine may cause quite a lot of problems. Then let the government work on cultists in universities. Cultists will take another dimension in universities. Cultists. These universities, they must watch on their security. University of Lokoja and Kogi State University, Abuja University, Sokoto University, University of Kaduna. Let this university, let them work on their security. Their security needs to be more vigilant than ever, to be more focused than ever. They should be very, very proactive, because we don't want terrorist attack, we don't want bandit attack. That's for that. Despite the fact that government is planning to have a very close ranch or private ranch or whatever ranch they want to have, there are still some people who will break the law. They will not believe in it, and they are going to cause problems. They are going to cause problems, very serious problems. Just mark it. Congratulations, Zambia President. I will only come out to warn you right now that what you are going to do in your second term is not going to bring any development. The second term is not going to be the ultimate. The second term is only that the opposition, they fail woefully, disgracefully, when they are disobedient to come out as one. They are greedy, and thank God for that greediness. That's what killed the opposition. As if the opposition have come together in one unity, they would have defeated the president. The second time of this president is not going to be. There's something serious there. It is not good. There will be no serious improvement. Nothing. Nothing. It's just waste of energy, waste of vote, waste of everything. Anyways, congratulations. As God directs, as God wants it, that's how we are there. But the Zambian people will learn, and this will make opposition to prepare very well, because your party will not win next election. They will not win it. Brazil, that is Lula and the two presidents, the ruling party, who is the current president and the former president. America wanted to remove the ruling party. America. What Donald Trump is planning is heavy. He wants to make sure that you are removed. He wants to do anything to suppress you. He wants to do anything to humiliate you. Watch out. Delta State government or governor, let me put this to government, they want to attack your convoy. And this can cause several deaths. Maybe it's bandits, maybe it's terrorists. Please work on your security. That's one. Please don't take my word very seriously. The day Delta get a very strong candidate, they will remove you from office. Whereas it is, I don't know who are the people that are strong who can face you, but I tell you that a lot of them, Delta people, they are not with you 100%. They are not. They don't want you. I don't know if another party has a very strong candidate. A very strong candidate, a very big coalition can remove you. Ebony, people are tired of lying. People are tired of the governor. The point is that their time is not yet over, except they get a very strong person now. The political grand lord in Ebony will change much later, because except there's a very strong candidate, only a strong candidate to remove the governor. Without a strong candidate, because a lot of people, they are subjected, they are not happy with the rulership of the governor, and they are looking for means. The person that will rule, who can see the governor. If only God will not allow the person, he will send the governor to an errand and even mine, and even a person can lose the place. But to be sincere, there's an election today, it will shake. And I have not seen the anointed person who can unseat the governor, except God changes the situation. But Ebony, people are not happy. Your people are not happy with the way you are ruling them. They are not at all. Benue can be attacked. Benue. And Benue governor can be defeated. And getting another party taking over that state. There is going to be a lot of political gang up. Even Plateau, there's a lot of political gang up that is coming that will remove this government. Except they put their house together. If they don't put their house together, it's going to be a very serious thing. Anyways, watch that Terrorists will not attack Benue, Sokoto, Kaduna, Niger, Adamawa, Zamfara, Yobe, Gombe. Watch very well. Abuja. These are sensitive areas and military formations that are all in these places. They must be very, very, very careful, very, very watchful, and very watchful, very careful, so that it will not cause issue. Refinery. Warri and Port Harcourt refinery. In fact, let me say it needs cleansing. Otherwise, the government will continue to waste money. Or if the government wanted to do the right thing, they really want to do the right thing, let them privatize it. Honestly, the government of the day cannot handle this very well. The government of the day are just trying to do something that is not. I don't know. It's just waste. That place needs a lot. Except they are not telling the president something that he must do. That's the truth. Let's watch that Candy Dam will not Soro. Candy Dam will not have problems. Or any of our dams will not have problems. Let them watch quietly there, carefully on this. It's very serious. Kenya, Ruto, if there's an election deal, we will win. But we are going to take certain steps that will not give you value, which you need to do before God. Honestly, you will not listen. There will be more tension. Sincerely, if there is a stronger candidate and these people can form coalition, or these people understand the politics, they can defeat you. As it is, they cannot think, they cannot gather themselves, they cannot project what they want. So that's what gives you head over them. So I've not seen them. I cannot see who can remove you. The President is a very strong political highland. Pray that they will not protest against you. They will scandalize your government, show your government, and your government needs to be very careful because they will draw your government as a corrupt government. Sincerely, Kenya, you are lucky to have this man called William Ruto. William Ruto, you are not. You will fall out of the track. Sincerely, you fall out of the track. I don't say you should like what I'm saying, but I'm being honest to you. You fall out of the track completely. That's for that. South Sudan president, if you take it right, if you don't take it right, there's a political problem that is coming. That there's no amount of police, military, whatever you put, that can end the government in South Sudan. South Sudan government can end prematurely, which in no time it can be somersaulted. The election you want to do, there are forces that wanted to fight the election, and they are going to deal with you because we won't have the stamina, the grip. People that will put there, they will disappoint you. South Sudan can be set on fire. Don't let another war come in South Sudan. Mark my word. In Uganda, the president is going to start fighting corruption. Because there is going to be a lot of civil servants that will be corrupt, a lot of things that they want to use, that they don't want to use to appreciate the goodness of the president. President of Uganda, let there be cleansing in your nation so that you are not going to see a calamity that will befall the nation, that will make the nation to be more. This is very important, as the Lord says. Tinubu, join BRICS, America will get angry with you more. And you need BRICS. But join the BRICS, America will get angry. They will frustrate you. BRICS. Tinubu, you need to watch on this. This is quite important and very, very important. In Benue, APC will be divided. They will be totally divided. And the APC chairman will face a major crisis that he has never faced before. APC chairman, national chairman. Oh, can't start cutting calendars. I've not seen you staying there for a long time. Arsenal, Liverpool, this might be better for you if you strategize well. That is for that. I see Greece economy having problems. I see confusion in Greece. I see fire outbreak in Greece. I see Greece economy and political crisis. They may remove the president or vote him out. Greece, tension is coming in Greece. That is the truth. APC in Edo, divided house. People that the governor will rely on, they are ready to vote against the governor. APC, you can't get Edo 100%. Either rigging, either bringing any political formula. It might be very difficult to APC. Just take it or don't take it. That is the message of the Lord. However,